Namhlanje I will open a door that was never meant to be open. Namhlanje I will reveal iqiniso that you were never meant to know. Sawubona ngiye ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. If you are not ready for this video, dlula. And for those who decided to stay, asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, we had laba sizobabiza ngama-founding fathers. You see, ama-founding fathers abesekhathele ukuhlupheka, abesekhathele ukuphanta, and they needed to do something ezokwenza sure ukuthi i-bloodline yabo, generations upon generations, the only thing abazoyazi is i-wealth ne-luxury, abasoze baphante, abasoze bahlupheke. And so they sat down, bacabanga ukuthi bazokwenza njani. One day, ama-founding fathers decided ukubiza meeting, and bahlangana bonke kule meeting kwakhulunywa indaba yokuthi sizophuma kanjani kule nhlupheko. And so they decided to go in search of i-grimoire of uSeta Phayi, the chosen one. Babazi ukuthi if they can get i-grimoire of uSeta Phayi, bazokwazi ukuthi babize uNkulunkulu wabo, bakhulume nabo mase yabasiza abakhiphe kule nhlupheko. Babheka bazi bayithola i-grimoire of uSeta Phayi, and then they were able ukuthi babize uNkulunkulu wabo, bahlala phansi noNkulunkulu wabo bamcela ukuthi for as long as kukhona a generation of ingane zabo abafuni baphinde leyo generation zazi inhlupheko, for as long as kukhona umphefumulo ophuma from i-generation yabo uzokwazi uchizi kuphela. And uSeta Phayi agreed ukubasiza and made that promise kubona, and bona they promised uSeta Phayi into eyodwa. For as long as kukhona umuntu osizwa wena through us nale deal esisayina nawe, they will see no evil. Kusho ukuthi angeke bakhulume ukuthi basizo wena bayakwazi. They will hear no evil. Ngeke balalele anything from anyone besides wena, sizwa wena kuphela. They will speak no evil. Asoze bakhulume ngawe ukuthi you exist. Finally, they signed the contract ebabindayo to uNkulunkulu wabo. After all of that, ama-founding fathers, they formed a group bayibiza ngama-Freemason. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi yini ama-Freemason? Understand ukuthi Freemasonry is one of the world's oldest and most secretive fraternities with 6 million members worldwide as of 2025. South Africa alone is estimated to have over 10,000 active Freemasons spread around Johannesburg, Durban, Cape Town, Pretoria, all over, and ba-influencer everything from business, law, politics, entertainment.